Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection handmade wooden chairs design ideas for craftsmanship with style, sustainability with practicality, and tradition with innovation. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. When you step into the world of handmade wooden chair design projects, you discover far more than the act of building a seat. You uncover a journey of creativity, sustainability, and timeless artistry where overlooked scraps of wood are transformed into eco-chic decor that radiates warmth, authenticity, and individuality, becoming dynamic accents in modern homes. The humble wooden chair, a piece of furniture so familiar in every household, evolves into a canvas for imagination, and when approached with a handmade mindset, it transcends functionality to embody a story, a vision, and a piece of personal expression. These projects invite you to move beyond the predictable designs of mass-produced furniture and embrace unique approaches that allow every chair to feel like a masterpiece, blending craftsmanship with style, sustainability with practicality, and tradition with innovation. What makes this craft so remarkable is the freedom it grants, the ability to work with reclaimed or scrap wood, often dismissed as unusable, and breathe new life into it by shaping, carving, sanding, and finishing it until it becomes a chair that not only serves its purpose, but also transforms the atmosphere of a room. Each knot in the wood, each curve in the grain, becomes part of a narrative, and as you begin to experiment with design, you realize that a handmade chair is never just a chair. It is a statement piece, a reflection of individuality, and a bridge between rustic authenticity and modern design sensibilities. Buyers and homeowners alike are increasingly drawn to this type of decor because they crave uniqueness in their living spaces, seeking furniture that tells a story and offers more than mere utility. A handmade wooden chair crafted from reclaimed timber or overlooked scraps carries with it a sense of history and sustainability, embodying a deeper connection to nature while showcasing the maker's ingenuity. Unlike the sterile uniformity of factory-made products, each handmade chair is imbued with character. Subtle imperfections become marks of authenticity, and variations in design become opportunities to create something unlike anything else on the market. This demand for authenticity is what makes handmade wooden chair projects so valuable in today's marketplace, where sustainability and originality are prized not only as lifestyle choices, but also as status symbols of taste and conscious living. The eco-chic appeal of these chairs lies in their ability to merge the beauty of natural wood with design approaches that fit seamlessly into modern interiors, whether minimalist, rustic, industrial, or eclectic, making them versatile accents that elevate both functionality and style. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The process of creating these pieces becomes as fulfilling as the final product because it encourages crafters to explore the endless possibilities hidden in wood that others might discard. A broken beam, a weathered plank, or even small scraps from other projects can be joined, shaped, or reimagined into striking chair designs that reflect innovation and sustainability at the same time. This resourcefulness not only reduces waste, but also proves that beauty and profit can emerge from simplicity, reinforcing the idea that imagination is the most valuable tool in woodworking. Each chair built in this way carries a double reward: the joy of creating something beautiful with your own hands, and the knowledge that it contributes positively to sustainable living. For entrepreneurs and DIY enthusiasts, these projects open doors to profitable ventures because handmade wooden chairs resonate with a market hungry for original, eco-friendly, and stylish home accents. The very fact that these chairs are born from overlooked scraps or reclaimed wood enhances their story, giving them an edge in marketing and sales, since buyers are increasingly motivated by products with a narrative of sustainability and authenticity. As you refine your skills, you begin to see chairs not simply as functional objects, but as opportunities to explore design philosophies, whether through bold modern lines, gentle organic shapes, or playful artistic experimentation. A handmade chair can be rustic and raw, highlighting the natural beauty of the wood, or sleek and refined, showcasing precision and craftsmanship. Yet in both cases, it carries the irreplaceable charm of something made with care, patience, and vision. The versatility of chair design allows for limitless creativity, and this is where unique approaches truly shine. One chair might serve as a striking accent piece in a minimalist bedroom, while another could become a cozy, rustic focal point in a family dining room. The adaptability of these designs ensures that no matter the style of the home, there is always a way to introduce the warmth and authenticity of handmade wooden furniture. The beauty of these projects is also in how accessible they are to all skill levels. Beginners can start with simple structures that highlight clean lines and natural finishes, while experienced crafters may dive into more complex designs involving joinery, carving, or mixed materials. In both cases, the result is deeply satisfying because the process itself builds confidence, skill, and appreciation for the craft. And for those pursuing woodworking as a business, handmade wooden chairs represent a product category that is both profitable and timeless. Chairs are universally needed, and when crafted with unique flair, they stand out as conversation pieces, marketable treasures, and lasting investments for buyers who value durability as much as design. The story behind each piece becomes part of its selling power. A chair crafted from scraps tells a tale of reinvention, sustainability, and creativity, making it irresistible in a market where conscious consumption is no longer optional but essential. Beyond profit and practicality, there is an emotional resonance to creating and owning handmade wooden chairs. For makers, the act of building something tangible and lasting out of raw or discarded materials creates a sense of purpose and pride, while for buyers, owning such a piece represents not only a functional object, but a connection to artistry, heritage, and sustainability. These chairs embody warmth not only in their natural textures and tones, but also in the stories they carry and the authenticity they radiate. They remind us that beauty often comes from simplicity, that creativity can transform waste into wonder, and that the furniture in our homes can do more than fill space. It can inspire, comfort, and elevate the atmosphere around it. Ultimately, handmade wooden chair design projects reveal the limitless potential of creativity when it meets sustainability, showing us how overlooked scraps can evolve into eco-chic decor that adds depth, warmth, and timeless beauty to modern homes. They represent the intersection of artistry and practicality, passion and profit, tradition and modernity, where every curve of the wood, every hand-sanded surface, and every imaginative design choice contributes to something greater than the sum of its parts. This journey is about more than furniture. It's about redefining what we value in our living spaces, prioritizing authenticity and sustainability over mass production, and proving that with vision and dedication, even the simplest materials can be reborn into dynamic home accents that today's buyers can't resist. Handmade wooden chairs become symbols of this philosophy, standing not just as seats, but as testaments to the enduring power of craftsmanship, creativity, and the human spirit's ability to see possibility in the ordinary and transform it into something extraordinary. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked handmade wooden chairs design ideas for craftsmanship with style, sustainability with practicality, and tradition with innovation. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.